Hey guys, welcome back. It's me again, Probinsyanang Morena. For today's video ay tutorial muna tayo on how to book a flight via Sunlight Air. So, ang Sunlight Air guys ay meron silang flight or direct flight from Clark to Siargao and Siargao to Clark. Soon, they will have also flight from Cebu going to Iloilo and vice versa, and Cebu to Cagayan de Oro and vice versa, starting on July po, guys. So, I will show you guys on how to book a flight via Sunlight Air and what is the mode of payment po na pwede dito sa Sunlight Air. First step is we are going to search their website. So, sunlightair.ph. Tapos, makikita nyo na po yun. And then, ang unang gagawin natin is scroll down and then find natin yung kung saan tayo mag-i-input ng Clark to Siargao. So, from sa Clark and then yung to is Siargao kasi papunta tayong Siargao. So, if try natin kung paano mag-book. So, ayun guys, ibubook na natin. So, ayun guys, syempre, ipipiliin natin kung kailan yung departure time na gusto natin and then yung return flight naman kung balikan. Then, dito guys, sa baba, pwede tayong mag-add. Halimbawa, adults, ilang adults po. So, i-click natin yung plus sign. And then, kung may kasama kayong bata na 2 to 11 years old, plus sign yung natin kung ilang bata yung kasama nyo na ganun ang age, and then kung may kasamang infant, senior, at saka PWD. So, basta i-click lang natin yung plus sign and then, ayan, tapos click search. Ganoon lang, di ba? Madali lang. Kung paano mag-book sa ibang airline, ganun lang din dito sa Sunlight Air. So, next is so, ito guys, naglo-loading pa siya. Hintayin lang natin ha. Mahina yung connection ko. So, ayan na guys. So, outbound is, yung napili ko kasing flight is June 24. So, yung rate niya is 3,899. Then, scroll down nyo yung ditong starting from. Tapos, diba may parang arrow down. So, click nyo yan. So, ito yung lalabas. Meron siyang value fare, then plus fare. So, yung si plus fare is mas mahal siya. So, dito tayo sa value kasi medyo nakakatipid. Si value fare naman is meron na siyang 7 kilos, carry-on baggage, 10 kilos check baggage. So, not bad na siya guys kasi meron na siyang check-in baggage. And then, schedule changes allowed 3 times without fees but subject to fare difference. So, yun lang yung kaibahan niya. So, dito naman si Plus, meron naman siya, allowed naman siya to changes without fees. O, maganda siya. All changes must be made at least 72 hours before flight departure. So, ayan guys. So, i-click nyo lang yung select kung alin yung pipiliin nyo, yung value or yung plus. So, kung ako naman is pipiliin ko yung value kasi kumbaga definite naman ako sa date na gusto ko kung ano yung binubook ko. So, dito naman tayo sa return flight. So, ganun din ang gagawin natin. So, isang flight lang naman yung direct flight. So, ayan, scroll down lang din natin. So, mas mahal yung pabalik kasi 4,000 plus. So, ganun din guys. So, merong plus at saka si saver. Tsaka si value pala. So, ayan, i-click lang din natin yung select. So, ganun lang din yung parang niya, fare rules. So, merong 10 kilos check-in baggage, merong hand carry na 7 kilos, and then, ayan po siya guys. Scheduled charges allowed 3 times without penalties, pero fare difference will apply. At least, hindi ka magbayad ng rebooking fee kung ipapa-change mo. So, kapag i-click natin yung next is, ayan na guys, passengers info. So, mag-i-input na tayo ng passengers info. So, ayan guys. So, yung title, Mr., Miss, at saka Mrs. So, pipili tayo kung lalaki, Mr. Obviously, ganun po siya guys. And then, ayan yung pangalan nyo. And then, last name, birthday. Yan lang naman yung usual na ini-input natin kapag nagbo-book tayo ng ticket. So, wala nang middle name. First and last name. So, take note guys, ang i-input nating name is kung ano yung nasa valid ID natin. So, yun yung spelling na dapat i-input natin. Tapos, birth date. So, again, in-next lang din natin. And then, nationality. So, ayan, Philippines. Tapos, contact details. So, email. And then, provide nyo din yung mobile number. So, ayan. So, special services, I require special services. Kung meron po kayong special na request na for services like maybe if you need wheelchair or wheelchair assistance, mga ganun. So, in-next na natin kung kapag na-input natin yung details natin. And then, ayan siya is outbound flight. So, seat selection is optional naman siya. So, hindi ako nagsiselect kasi kumbaga kung ano lang yung ibibigay sa akin, yun na yun. Kasi ayoko magbayad ng additional. So, return flight, ganun din. So, ayan. So, in-next lang natin. And then, kapag na-next nyo na po, so, ayan. Select extras for your travel. So, kung gusto nyo mag-a-add pa ng baggage allowance, kasi, di ba meron siyang free na 10 kilos, kumbaga, kung ayaw nyo pa ng ganun, kulang pa. So, pwede tayong mag-add. So, next is review your itinerary. So, we need to double check our flight details. Kung tama ba yung na-click natin kasi baka ibang date sa gusto natin. So, ayun guys, Clark going to Siargao, leaving Clark is 4 a.m. and then arrival is 6:30 a.m. So, ayan. Nandyan din yung fare breakdown. So, ayan. And then yung return flight, ganun din. So, isang flight lang naman. Direct flight to guys, ha. Kung ayaw nyo nang manggagaling kayo ng Manila. So, may option na tayo. It's either gusto natin from Manila or sa Clark. Kasi medyo magkalapit lang naman yung mga yun. So, ayan, review and pay in the next. So, eto na guys. So, ang mode of payment nila, ang allowed lang is si PayMaya at saka meron pang isa niyan, nasa baba po. So, walang GCash. So, si PayMaya lang. How would you like to pay? Si PayMaya at saka si PayMongo. I'm not familiar with PayMongo. First time kong nakarinig nito. So, si PayMaya lang yung familiar ko. So, yan lang yung choices, guys. So, booking cost, summary. So, ayan. I-review niyo ulit. So, yung round trip ticket is 11,613.28. So, ayan. Kasi parang 1 week before the flight ito. Kasi sample booking lang naman to. So, kung gusto niyo mag-fly right away, so mga ganito yung rate, nasa 11,000 something, almost 12,000. So, ayan guys. So, quick access, may ganyan. Tapos, kapag gusto niyo na pong bayaran, in-next niyo lang. I-click yung PayMaya if you want to pay via PayMaya. Ayan, click ko si PayMaya and then confirm and pay. So, click nyo po yung maliit na box, I accept terms and conditions of privacy, tapos confirm and pay. So, hindi ko na yan i-click yung confirm and pay kasi sample lang naman to. Kasi kapag i-click ko yan, hihingi na sila ng PayMaya info mo. Ganun lang siya. So, madali lang, di ba? Hindi siya masyadong complicated yung pagbubook. So, ayan na siya guys. Kapag ko siya, ganyan ang lalabas. So, ayan, i-input mo yung card number, expiry, tapos CVV. So, meron palang debit, credit card din, oh. So, pwede din pala si debit at saka si credit card. Yun yung pinagtataka ko kanina kasi hindi ko nakikita agad. So, pag next ka pa pala, so may other option pa. So, i-click mo lang yung card number, expiry date, and then, I'm not a robot. Then, magko-confirm na yung... So, ayun na nga guys, kung via PayMaya kayo magbabayad, si PayMaya yung i-click nyo. And then, kung via credit card naman or debit card, i-click nyo yung debit card, yung sa baba. Tapos, input nyo yung card number nyo po at saka name nyo. Yan lang. Thank you for watching. Bye!